Before buying a tonneau cover for your Ram 1500, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. The Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover caught my eye with its sleek design and solid reviews, priced at $207. If you want a reliable cover that offers easy access and protection, this is worth a serious look. This cover is specifically designed for the 2019-2026 Ram 1500 with a 57 bed, which means a snug fit for your truck. The heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl material is not just about looks, it's built to withstand the elements. With built-in horizontal crossbars, it provides support when laid flat and rolls up easily for full bed access. Plus, the installation is a breeze, no drilling required, and it includes all the necessary hardware. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you need quick access to your bed, this cover makes it hassle-free. Now, some people complained about needing to cut small holes in the bed liner for installation. Here's the thing though, if your truck has an over-the-bedrail bed liner, that's a minor issue compared to the overall value this cover provides. It's a small trade-off for such solid protection. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of convenience and security for your Ram. Skip this one if you're looking for something that offers more hardshell protection, but at $207, it's solid value for your money. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. Next up is the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover, priced at $246. If you want a cover that combines durability and ease of use, keep listening. This cover is also tailored for the 2019-2026 Ram 1500 with a 57 bed and features a robust design made from 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl. The tri-fold design means you can easily fold it up for quick access without struggling with unrolling a cover. The aircraft-grade aluminum frames add extra durability, and like the T1, it's simple to install without drilling. Here's why this matters. You get the protection without the headache of complicated installation. However, some buyers pointed out that the clamps could be a bit tricky to secure properly. I'll be real with you, while this might frustrate some, it's not a deal-breaker considering the sturdy construction and ease of access you get. This is perfect for you if you frequently load and unload your truck and want a reliable cover. Skip this one if you need a hard cover for added security, but at this price, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who prefer a hard cover. Product number 3, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up for Classic. Now let's talk about the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up for the 2009-2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and the 2019-2024 Classic, priced at $207. If you're looking for affordability and functionality, this is worth checking out. Plus, it's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, keeping your cargo safe and dry. Why does this matter? Because protecting your gear from elements is crucial, especially if you work or play hard. However, some users mention that it can sag slightly over time. Here's the thing though, if you keep it tensioned properly, it holds up well. For daily use, this cover provides excellent functionality without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cover that fits a classic Ram without spending too much. Skip this if you're seeking a more premium look, but at $207, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something with even more durability and a hard shell, let's move on to the next product. Product number 4, Tonneau Hard Folding Cover. Next, we have the Tonneau Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover, priced at $499.95. If security is your top priority, you need to hear about this. This hard cover fits 2009-2026 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 57 bed and boasts a polished finish that not only looks good but protects against scratches and UV rays. It locks securely with your tailgate, which means you can leave valuable items in your bed with peace of mind. The tear-resistant and weatherproof materials ensure your cargo stays safe from harsh conditions. Here's why this matters. If you frequently transport tools or gear, you need that level of security and protection. On the downside, some users have found it a bit cumbersome to install. I get it, that can be frustrating, but once it's on, it's a solid choice that offers excellent protection. This is perfect for you if you prioritize security and durability in your truck cover. Skip this if you're after something lightweight and easy to remove, but for $499.95, it serves its purpose well. Now, if you want something more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much quality, let's talk about our final product. Product number 5, SYNTHACY Soft Trifold Cover. Finally, we have the SYNTHACY Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $145.99. If budget is your main concern but you still need a reliable cover, this is definitely one to consider. Tailored for the 2009-2024 Ram 1500, this cover fits perfectly while offering a sleek appearance. Why does this matter? Because it turns your truck bed into a weatherproof storage area without costing a fortune. Now, a few reviews pointed out that it might not be as sturdy as hard covers in extreme weather. But honestly, for the price, it does a great job, and if you're using it for lighter cargo, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need something functional. Skip this if you're looking for heavy-duty protection, but at $145.99, it's a fantastic value. That rounds out our list of the best tonneau covers for the Ram 1500. So to recap, Tiger Auto's T1 and T3 offer great options for soft covers, while the top Tonneau provides hardshell security. The SYNTHACY is your budget-friendly pick, making it easy to find a cover that fits your needs. Whichever you choose, make sure it aligns with how you use your truck. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.